Good morning, a day in my life in my simple law office. So this is my daily routine, guys. Every morning, after mabuksan ni husband ang roll-up door, kasi hindi ko talaga kayang buksan yon at ang sakit sa ear. So ayan, turn on natin ang light. Wala pang suklay, guys. And the first thing I am doing in the morning is to get ready with my things, my laptop. So ayan, nahanda na natin ang aking laptop. My office is opening at 8:30 in the morning. So let's turn on the aircon. Lalo na today, it's so hot sa labas. Linis-linis muna. Preparing things. Turning on my printer. Okay, so ayan, paghahanda ng ibang gamit. This is my cash box, my very small cash box. Okay, dito natin nilalagay ang mga barya. So this is the time that I have to also prepare myself. Kailangan mag-lipstick, guys, para hindi mamumutla kaharap ang ating clients. Okay, so I'm using a sunscreen reveal later. Okay, so ayan, kailangan mag-blush on para rosy cheeks. And I'm using Beauty Queen products, you know, the glitter lip gloss. This time kinahanglan magbutang og eyeliner, guys, para dili puro beauty plus ang effects sa picture. So ayan, mascara time. Practice lang na, guys. O diba, blush on, lipstick. Yan. Kinahanglang manudlay. Init kaayo sa gawas, guys. Sobra. O, kinahanglan natong iipit ang atong buhok. O, diba? Puti-puti ang naong. Pahumot, perfume. Paumutan po nato ning atong office para humot inigsod sa atong mga clients. So, it's time to start my work. The first thing to do is to read my email. So, this time, I got a message from a client requesting me to send the engagement letter for legal services. So, let's get the work done for today. Have a nice day, everyone. Enjoy your day. Keep yourself hydrated, especially that it's really extremely hot outside. God bless everyone. Take care.